In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Google Trends to verify if your keywords are rising in popularity or if they're declining in popularity. So Google Trends is a free online tool by Google. Just simply go over to Google and type in Google Trends and you'll find it in the #1 position. So essentially what we want to do here is go back to our keyword research template and pick one of our keywords, any keyword at random, such as men yoga clothes, for example. Then go back to Google Trends, paste in our keyword and ensure we have the right country selected. So for me, I'm going to go for United Kingdom just for the purpose of this video. However, do pick the country which is suitable for you. Once you have the country selected, go back to the box and then click enter. That will now give you tons of data about this keyword. So you can see the data for the last 12 months seems to be up and down, quite all over the place. Depending on what keyword you're targeting, it's always advised to go for longer duration. So you can do that by going up to here. And instead of looking at the past 12 months of data, we can look at from 2004 to present. So let's have a look at that now. So as you can see, men's yoga clothes are pretty stagnant. Quite a lot of jumps back in 2004. I'm not sure what happened in 2004. However, the overall trend seems to be growing, as you can see from here. So it's actually a good keyword. If we go back to our keyword research template and look at another keyword, maybe let's just go for yoga clothes. And let's search for that. Let's have a look at this trend. So as you can see, the trend for yoga clothes is really growing. It's been growing since 2000, I would say 2008. So ever since 2008, in December to be precise, yoga clothes has seen a massive increase in popularity, and as a result, the trend is going upwards. So if you do type in your keywords and you see a massive trend going downhill, then it is something to worry about. It's not the end of the world, as some keywords can obviously decline and then come back. To be honest, if you look at the trend from 2004 to 2008, it does look like yoga clothes actually going downhill. However, now it's on the uprise. So this is actually a really good tool you can use just to analyze your keywords in a little bit more detail and just find out the overall trend and the popularity of the keywords you want to target. As the worst thing I'm going to do is build a website, optimize it for a keyword that's actually declining in popularity. You can also scroll down the page as well and get a bit more information, such as interest by subregion, interest by countries. You can get more related queries down here as well, such as yoga clothes for women. We can give that a click. It will load a new page and give us more information and data as well. So the yoga clothes for women keyword seems to be a little bit more, I would say, leveled out. Doesn't seem to be rising, to be honest with you, which shows you straight away and tells you that yoga clothes for women has always been quite consistent in popularity. However, with the men's clothing keyword, it seems to be gaining in popularity recently, which could be just from more men getting into yoga these days. And as a result, they now require yoga clothes, which explains the increase in popularity for men's yoga clothes. So hopefully you found that useful and you can use Google Trends to validate a lot of the keywords you want to target.